Let's talk about SUNBEAUTY Summer Luau Party Parrot Honeycomb Hanging Decorations Red White Blue 3 pieces Parrot. Package included, 3 pieces Parrot Hanging Decoration in 1 pack. Size, approx 8" after hanging up white string attached. Bright color red white blue, it's amazing. Mixing red white blue color tissue paper honeycomb, these can be hung from any ceiling, tree branches, doorway or tent. Handy and reusable. Combining this paper honeycomb crafts to make a summer style birthday wedding or beach seaside party decoration. To be used as decoration for a tropical themed party. They have beautiful bright colors and are of good quality. Would definitely recommend. Package came on time and fit for purpose. Looks lovely hanging up.